my three little tomatoes. Try to do this one-handed. These are the Cabernet, and I don't believe they're ready yet. They need to turn purple, if they even will do that in the heat. Looks like there's rain in the mountains there. Could be heading this way. Could head the other way. It just all depends where it wants to drop. You can see there's some dropping over there. Around here, sometimes it dries up before it gets down too far. There's thunder over there in the mountains. Setup over there isn't working out too well. I'll have to tie those up. The supports, I'll have to tie the supports. There's rain coming down right there. Maybe it'll come here. Oh, there's rain over there. That's Bisbee. Yep, it's monsoon season. These are my treasures. I'm not the best at, or at least I'm not very experienced at doing sort of show and tell so close up, but here I go. In the interest of keeping my address out of the camera, these are Google Photos if you've never done it before. And I take photographs of things I love, and I've been making pictures of them. I have some in my office, and I have some on this wall so far. There's one behind the door. I ordered a few more. They're about, I want to say, they're 32 or 40, I can't remember, probably closer to 40. And I just upload from my phone, where I take most of my photos. It's the cheapest way, or the best, least expensive way, or to not only decorate my walls, but the best way, because I love my own photos. I do. These are garden related, believe it or not, because they, almost all of them, have flowers or a xeriscape. I'll show you. Two will be the same because I ordered one for my friend. If I misexplained, it's they put them on canvas. This is the least garden related, and yet it is, because it's xeriscape. Let's throw these boxes on the floor. That came out okay. Beautiful colors, isn't it? It's the Superstition Mountains. It does wrap around there, so part of the mountain's on the side. If I had to do it over again, I would have maybe moved the photographs so that more of the mountain is in and less of that's there. Oh well. I love the color. Some things are hard to, you know, select on your phone. That may bug me for a long time. I think that's what they call the flat iron. All right, anyway. So that's the Airbnb we stayed at in Apache Junction at the foot of the Superstition Mountains. The Airbnb, I noticed, sold for $700,000 last year. So yeah, those are $1 million homes just because of their location. They're on power. I think they are on septic though. Not really sure. This home was great, but they do xeriscape out there. It doesn't get watered. And they seem to own a certain amount of land, just about up to here. All right, here's the next one. I've really never been disappointed with a photo, and that one is as close as I'm going to come, I think, only because how I placed it. We're given an opportunity to preview one before we order. This is one that I might not have chosen for myself, but my friend wanted a photo of the Airbnb, and he especially wanted the bougainvillea. And so I thought, well, I'll just do this one, and if he doesn't want this close-up of the bougainvillea that were there in the front, as you see, it kind of goes around the side, then I'll keep it for my own collection. Colors are beautiful. I hope you can see that well enough. Let me see if the light is on this. There we go. Oopsies. Go back and check this one. Goodness, look at those colors. Extraordinary. I don't have a big studio light set up, so it's a little light on a tripod, just because this is just very impromptu. If I were going to do, what do they call them? Unpack, haul videos, something like that, I would do different. So. This is 11 by 14. Oh, I did order 2 of this one. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, what did I do? Oh, that little light is showing. And yeah, I ordered 2 of the smaller one. Maybe that's what he's going to get. Oh, I'll have to go back then. I think he wants this big one. And he had told me he didn't. And then when I showed him what I ordered, so now I've got 2 of the same. Well, I'll give them both to him, since he's going away. Now this is the one I loved, and he was saying he didn't really want the pillars in there. Let me get a proper light on that. But once he saw the photo itself, yeah, I'll have to give that one to him and order another one for myself. Sure, there's power lines in there and all kinds of stuff. But that was the front porch looking over a valley, mountains. I'll ask him which one he wants. He might just want the close-up of the bougainvillea. This actually did not come out as well as the photograph shows. I wonder why. Seems almost overexposed when it got to canvas. I love the light coming down here. So beautiful. And I love the bench from wood, hand-hewn. I loved that place. I had a wonderful time there. I keep thinking that I'm throwing shadows on the picture, but I don't think I am. That's actually the shadow in the picture. It's fascinating. I can only order a few a payday. The birds are working the sunflowers pretty heavily. I think they need more support. I'm not sure. Looks like it maybe. I don't know. It's very humid out here. I feel like I'm in Alabama. Oh, isn't that so pretty? The blooms coming out on that. just love. I'm happy to see it come back. There's a hummingbird on the trellis flying around. All right, just assessing things this morning. I harvested all the grapes from the Thompson Seedless. They're very small. In my reading, that means not enough water, but they're tasty. They're just little. Love this tree. Look at these. So they come out light, white, pink. They soften to rose and deepen to red. Is that right? Is that what we're doing? Explain me this. I need a time lapse. Don't you just love how pretty that is? I love it. Clearance up in Tucson at Lowe's. Oh, you bougainvillea. At least they still kept their leaves. They didn't get blown off. Oh, I'm loving the daylilies. Those look sad because they're obviously reaching, but just blooming away. I have another one in the back that I took out of a container, and we don't see too much of it, but here, this guy. Oh, hello. Okay, well, I want to see this daylily. Here we are. Here we are. Now, what are you doing? You don't care to fly away. Do you have a nest real close by? Like, they wouldn't nest on the ground, would they? You need me to go, I can tell, but, like, where are you? What are you doing? What is it that you want? Don't eat my melons. Why are you just sitting there? Huh? You don't want to run away or anything? Okay. Well, I'm going to back away, so don't get panicky, okay? Just do your thing. I'm backing off. Did you just love this so much? Come on, you guys. How beautiful. Oh, this is the plant I ordered online. I ordered from Home Depot, and it did come from North Carolina, a grower there. Can't wait for this hibiscus to open. So pretty, my goodness. A quick good morning to you. It's a little bit later in the day. We're at 77 and 56% humidity. We have rain again today. I'm gonna run inside, stop pushing my luck. Look at me, all the dark clothing, double socks, blue jeans. Also, I sprayed myself and I got some mosquito beater. But I do want, you know, they have one that you can do with the hose. You put it at the end of the hose, and I think I actually do want that one. There is a question about whether they're hanging out in here sometimes. I think they might be, as if it is a grass. I don't know if I can spray it, but I'm gonna see. I just saw something fly by, and at this point, I'm not looking for birds, but I'm looking for mosquitoes. Oh yeah, I get crazy. I get crazy at this time of year. Talk to you soon. I've just got other clips and things I'm doing for you to share with you. Not for you, but to share with you. There's a hummingbird on the honeysuckle. Let me turn this around. It's kind of why I put this bird feeder right here. He doesn't visit it. I don't know why. Hi, sweetie. Hello. He does sit up there a lot, so I thought he would come for this sugar. Hello, little baby. I am definitely heading back in now. Hummingbird is taken off. Thank you for joining me this morning. See you soon.